Good morning, YouTube family. How are you guys doing today? So my name is Laura and I'm back with another video. So I wanted to do something special today, but I can't leave the room. I am waiting for the mailman to come and he don't get here until 2:30. So I'm going to be doing a few videos today because I have a busy week this week. Finally, for once, I'm going to go to the flea market. But instead of going to the flea market, I'm going to sell at the flea market. So, super excited. Can't wait. Super scary. That's going to be another video. But, today I got to clean out the fridge. And I got to clean the bathroom. So, I just want to take you on the journey of me clean out this fridge. It's bad. It's horrible. I've never let the fridge go this bad before. But yeah, that's going to be this video, cleaning out the fridge. The keto diet, I'm still doing it. I'm still on it. I really don't have much to say about it right now. I am going through a lot of cravings. I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry. I want the pastas and I want all the stuff that I can't have, and I'm struggling. But I'm taking it day by day. So, on that note, let's go and clean out this nasty fridge. Let me turn, you guys. Alright, I need to find a spot for you. Alright, this is what it's looking. So usually I try to do grocery shopping on Mondays. Because Bobby's usually at work and that gives me something to do. So, let's start. So, I tried these turkey burgers yesterday. And the all-natural burgers. And they're like 93% lean, 7% fat. They are 0 carbohydrates. Oh, and they are really good. I cannot complain about those at all. This little guy's seen better days. Avocado dip. Some chicken breast. This has 1 gram of carbohydrates in it. And I like to put that in salads. Some olives. I'm just taking everything out. So I got ham here, that's good. And some green beans here. Some more green beans, that's no good. Berries. Oh, I made ranch. And it was actually really good. If you guys would like a short video on how I made the ranch, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. We have bags and bags of cheese. We picked these up at Aldi's for 75 cents. And we stocked up. 75 cents. Cannot go wrong. Some cheese. More cheese. Thing of lettuce. Lemons. Some more lemons. more cheese. Bobby says, oh, I think we should have got more cheese. I don't think so. Oh, all right. We got a cucumber I forgot about. Top shelf. Some onions that went bad. Can't have the onion part, but you can have the green stuff. Strawberries. Brussels sprouts. They went bad. Some more berries. Some mushroom and an egg that went bad. Avocado mayonnaise. Now for a teaspoon of serving, it's only 1 gram in there for 1 teaspoon. Heavy whipping cream. I figured out cooking. I like to cook with that. Throw that one away. Olive milk. And some tea that we can't have that got shoved in the back. I cleaned out the fridge once, but then it wasn't really a clean out. It was just getting rid of the stuff that I couldn't have. So now today I'm really going to clean it. Half ate cucumber, bacon bits, onions that I can't have, some salami. Okay, so I got my spray and a rag. And then I'm just gonna wipe it all down. Okay, then I'm going to put everything back in. My lemons. It's going to go into that drawer. Now, I cleaned out the fridge really good when we first got here. Before we even went grocery shopping. Okay. My lettuce is going to go down there. All the cheese. Oh, I made tuna too. Oh, and that tuna turned out really good. It's kind of like a tuna egg salad. And it was super easy. Mayonnaise. So I'm putting the cheese there. And the meats up in the small one. The cheese and my veggies and stuff like that goes down here. I was looking for my bacon bits. I couldn't figure out where I put them. I don't like to put my raw meat with my cooked meat, so I keep those on a different shelf. There's my tuna, my berries, green beans. I got a little slice of ham left in here. Garlic. One hot dog left. I love having just one as something random. My milk. Eggs. Avocado's gonna go with my berries, radishes, all over the floor. I'm hanging tight on this diet, but right now I'm just going through cravings. Stuff that I don't even eat. That's the weird part of it all. It's like, why am I so hungry for this stuff when I don't even eat it? It's 2, maybe 3 weeks now since I started it. And this week's been really tough, especially at nighttime. That's when I mostly figure out that that's when I want the food. I got a whole bunch of these sparkling drinks. They was really good. Got some more of this berry sparkling water, and that was really good. Being thirsty on this diet too, I just cannot get enough to drink whatsoever. And I'm a big coffee drinker, but I take sugar in my coffee, so this week I noticed that I've been really growly because I'm missing my sugar. We have some type of sauce. Some bacon that went bad, some ham that went bad. That's been in here for a while. Some cheese, cream cheese. I've been cooking with that because I don't really like cream cheese, but I've noticed I've been using a lot of it to cook with. And everything is out of the door. And then I'm just going to take I always start from top to bottom. So if anything falls, it just falls on the floor and I could go ahead and sweep it up. So I did 2 movies yesterday, 2 videos for you guys. I hope you stay. And what happened was that I messed up and then I cut it off, so I made a part 2, but then I had a 20-second video, and that video I was going to delete it. Well, I ended up deleting the wrong video. So I really wanted to start filming yesterday, that way I could get ready for the flea market. That didn't work. And then today I went to go ahead and start filming. Then the mail truck comes with the ice cream, because we ordered 8 different kinds of keto diet ice cream. So I'm excited to try those. Really excited. Oh, I got Sour Head, Bing, and then I got another cotton candy, Bing. really liked the cotton candy. That was really good. That helped with the craving a lot. And that's that. 15 minutes. Not bad to clean out the fridge. A bunch of stuff out of here, and it looks good now. Yay. All right, my loves. This is not sponsored, by the way. Oh, I'm getting too old for that. I wonder what this sour apple one tastes like. I got high hopes. I tried a unicorn something one too, and that was really good, but I had to get used to the taste. The taste was way different. So let's try this. Cheers, my loves. It's not really sour. It really don't have an aftertaste. Kind of tastes like candy. Not bad. Not if you're craving sugar. It tastes like it. And like I said, I don't have that diet taste. So that's a good thing. But my next room is the bathroom, so stay tuned and come with me to clean the bathroom. This is such an exciting day. But I can't leave the room today because I'm waiting on the mail truck. The FedEx came. Got the ice cream. Look at this. This is nuts. Oh, I got berries I forgot to put away. Got a whole bunch of ice cream. And then I forgot my berries. All right, I am going to say goodbye for now until my next video, and that will be coming up shortly. So I love you guys. Subscribe down below. Give me a thumbs up and hit that bell because I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to upload. I'm going to try on Tuesdays and Thursdays because Mondays are just kind of crazy for me. It's kind of nuts. Alright, I love you and I will see you guys soon.